This is a 200 rear tire and this is a 180 rear tire. The difference in both tires is exactly 20 millimeters. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Oh hi, by the way, sugar lips. As you can see over here, this is a 180/60 tire. In other words, 180 is the width of the tire and then 60 is the aspect ratio of the tire. 60% of 180, which is obviously 108, which would give you the height of the tire. And this tire is 255, meaning the height of this tire is exactly 120. It's completely clear that the 180 tire is much smaller than the 200 tire. What does that mean? That means the contact patch is slightly less as compared to a 200 tire. But that does mean you might have a bit less traction. But just as much as you might have a bit less traction, the 200 tire might be able to flick much harder as compared to the 180 tire. There's a good chance that you might find some people being comfortable on this. Some people might be faster on that. So basically what I'm saying, just find your comfort level and know where you want to be. Because honestly, for my type of rider, I'd rather sacrifice flickability for more contact patch, which means more traction, as compared to getting more flickability but less traction. The other question I want to hit, do you want mileage or do you want traction? Because more grip means less mileage means more grip. And what's sitting in the middle? Your money. So where are you going to spend your money? If you want any sorts of tire recommendations or explanations or further explanations or what tire you must ride and which compound you must ride, depending if you're an intermediate rider or a beginner rider, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. Hey sugar lips, all I'm basically saying is do your research and get the type of tire for your type of riding, because I honestly believe a lot of people are riding tires and they're not even close to being capable of even riding those tires. I honestly believe that a lot of people are buying expensive tires where they're not even able to use not even 10% of the tire. So get the right tire for yourself.